Hello guys and welcome back to Repair and Resell. In today's video we're going to take a look at this controller, but just by looking at it we can already see that there is a missing thumbstick here that we will need to replace, and there was also a missing back cover. So I've got one right now so we can put it on. But more important about this controller is that the LT trigger is not working. And what I mean by this, I will just show this to you. First I will plug the controller into my testing device. Here we go, it lights up with no problem. And so here is the tester, and as you can see, when we press the RT trigger, it's working just fine. We have absolutely no problem. But when we are pressing the LT trigger, it's doing absolutely nothing. So we'll have to find how we can fix this. So I'm gonna open the controller right now. As usual, if you want to know how to test your controller or how to open it, I will leave the links in the description below in order to do so. So let's open this one right now. Hi there, this is me from the end of the video. Just to tell you that the name of the winner of the giveaway will be displayed at the end of the video. So make sure to watch till the end if you want to know if you win the prize or not. And I will leave you like a month instead of 5 days to claim the prize, because I know that I'm a little bit late. But I hope that you can still be happy if you're the one who win it. So let's go for the rest of the video now. The controller is now open. For the moment I'm just gonna change this thumbsticks really fast, just like this, so it will be done, and it will still look like it will look like a new controller. And just doing things like this add a little bit of value to your controller. So I'm gonna flip this around and we're gonna take a look at the trigger. Okay, so fast like that, first thing you can see is, I will take the screwdriver to show you here, there is supposed to be a little magnet like on the other side right here. And basically if this little magnet is missing, it will not your controller will not be able to register the trigger, because it's this magnet that tell the controller when it's going close to the motherboard if it's not if how much the trigger is pressed, as you can see. But the good news for us, it's not the all effects sensor that is broken, it's basically a magnet that is missing. So it should be somewhere around, I don't know, oh, I think it's just right here. So it's still working really well, and it's indeed stick to that metal shield, so we can remove it. And just right now we're gonna test if the all sensor is working. I'm gonna put it there. We will still need to find a way to keep it in place to avoid it doing this. Probably a strong glue, but for the moment we're just going to test the controller with the magnet in place. So I'm going to open back up the testing device, plug the controller in, and once this magnet is back in place, here we go. Now it's working perfectly, just because we put the magnet back. But we want to make sure that this magnet doesn't move anymore. So I bought some strong glue. I'm gonna close all this. I bought some strong glue, and we're gonna basically glue it back just to make sure it's not moving anymore. And we are gonna put some electrical tape also, just to be sure that it will not fall off again, because when you're playing some games, sometimes you're being a bit aggressive, and it's maybe what happened to this one. So here is the strong glue I bought. So I'm gonna, oops, sorry, I'm gonna just puncture this, just like that. We're gonna put a little drop right there. It's gonna be enough. And we're gonna put the magnet on it. So I put the glue, and now we're gonna put the magnet. You see, I'm just gonna put that here, and I just don't want, just like that, and I will let it sit there. Once the glue is stuck it in place, and I'm also gonna wrap it up in some electrical tape, just to make sure that it doesn't fall off, because there is no more that little protection here the plastic piece that was holding the other one, so I'm gonna put some electrical tape just on, just as an additional layer of protection. So I'm gonna prepare this. As you saw, what I did is that I put some electrical tape, right there. And as you can see, it still look really professional, and now the magnet is firmly in place, and I don't think it will move anymore. Usually on some controller, they put some heat shrink on it, but as I didn't want it to do that, I used electrical tape, and I think it's gonna do the job really well, and it still look really professional. So now I don't think the magnet will fall anymore with some strong glue and some electrical tape. It will take a really rage moment for a player to dislodge it back. So just to show you that it's working, I'm gonna plug it in. Sorry, it vibrates, so it's a bit hard. I'm gonna open back the tester like that and look at this. I'm pressing the trigger. And here we go. So this problem is solved, and we now have a perfectly working controller. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that this fix will be useful for you, and have a nice day. And now is the moment what a lot of you are waiting for. It's basically the moment where we're gonna pick the winner of the giveaway. First, I'm gonna enter the video URL where you needed to comment with the hashtag giveaway. I will make sure to filter duplicate user. I will include the replies to comment just in case, and I will filter comment based on a specific text with the hashtag giveaway. I will also add the extra entries for the one who make a donation to the channel of at least $5. So we add the 2 extra entries for John Graves and 1 extra entry for Liam LA. Other donation were anonymous, so we don't they didn't necessarily wanted to participate in the giveaway, or they were of less than $5. So now I'm gonna get YouTube comments. So we have a total of 173 and 3 extra entries participants. So now we're gonna see which one is gonna go. I'm gonna click on that button right here, and we're gonna see who is the winner. And the winner is Robert Centric. I'll be checking your back catalog video for sure. I like doing what I can to help new users in the ways of traffic and sub. The giveaway is a good extra, but I'm usually not that lucky. Well, today you were pretty lucky with this, and you are basically the winner of our giveaway. So from the day this video is released, you will have a 5-day to reach out to us at repareandresell2020 @gmail.com. So I know I'm a little bit late. We have some things that were not planned, but still the winner has been chosen. So I hope that you still enjoy the video, and have a nice day.